Hi, this is Rahul from BI Training Hub. In this video, we'll see how to create dashboards in Tableau. So we generally create multiple charts, and now we want to see how we can bring those charts together to create a dashboard. So let's connect to Tableau desktop. I'll go to Microsoft Excel and we'll connect to Sample Superstore Excel. That Sample Superstore Excel is placed in My Documents, My Tableau repository, and Data Sources folder. We will use Orders tab. So let's drag Orders tab and go to First Worksheet. Before creating any dashboard, we need charts to place on the dashboard. So first we'll quickly create a couple of charts here. First, I'll create a field map with, let's say, state and sales. I'll drag state and sales, go to show me and click on field map. It is showing 49 unknown because the country is fixed to India. I'll change it to United States. And click on OK. So we'll get this field map. I'll go to color, border, we'll put white color border. Let's increase it opacity. We'll put state in label and sales in label. So let's name this as field map. Then let's go to next worksheet. We'll create one area chart. So let's drag order date in columns. I'll change it to continuous month. Bring sales in row, we'll get a line chart. Then I'll drag, let's say, ship mode on color, and we'll change the graph type from this drop down to area. I'll go to color, we'll put white color border and increase its opacity. Let's name this as area chart. Then let's go to next worksheet. We'll create a pie chart with ship mode and sales. Let's go to show me section, click on pie chart. Make the graph entire view, go to color, border, put white color border, press Ctrl, drag ship mode in label, drag sales in label, go to sum of sales which is in label, go to quick table calculation, change it to % of total. Let's name it as pie chart. Then let's go to next worksheet. In next worksheet, we'll create a tree map. So let's drag subcategory in row, sales in column, go to show me, click on tree map. Let's make the graph entire view and let's name this worksheet as tree map. Now, as we have created 4 charts, we'll create first dashboard. So here next to this new worksheet, we have new dashboard option. Click on this new dashboard and we'll get a blank dashboard. So on this dashboard, we have a scroll bar and there's some gray space. To remove the scroll bar and gray space, go to this dashboard size, go to the drop down and change it to automatic. With the automatic, it will fit this dashboard to the current screen. You won't have any scroll bar or gray space. Now in this worksheet section, we have all the worksheets which we have created. So let's drag this field map first, place it in the dashboard. Then I'll drag area chart. Now you can decide where you want to place it, whether it is above this graph, towards left side, below the graph, or towards right side. And even if you drop it in the dashboard, if you want to change its location, you can click on the graph. On top there are 2 lines, hover on them and you can relocate the graph. Then we'll drag pie chart, place it towards right side of field map, and tree map let's place below pie chart. We have color legends placed here, we'll remove them. Let's bring those color legends back later. So select the area below these color legends, it will select the container. Let's remove this container and we'll get these 4 charts. If you want to label the dashboard, below this left top corner, we have show dashboard title. Select it, we'll have this dashboard title, double click and you can change its name. Click on OK. Now we are having 4 charts. You can hit F7 or you can go to presentation mode and this will be our dashboard. Hit escape and you'll come back to this view. So right now we have 4 charts. All of them are showing data for all 49 states. Now let's say we want to apply a filter on this field map. So if we select any state from the field map, it should filter out the data for remaining charts based on our selection. So that is called filter action in Tableau. To apply this filter action, select this field map. Towards right side we have 4 icons. Remove from dashboard, go to worksheet. Third is use as filter. The funnel icon is for use as filter. Select this funnel icon and it will be filled with white color. Now as we click on this funnel which is filled with white color, you can click on any state from this field map and other 3 charts will filter out data based on your selection. You can select multiple states, drag and select multiple states. Your graph will show the data for selected states. Is this feature applicable only for filled map? No. We can go to pie chart. Even on pie chart, we can click on use as filter. Now we can click on standard class. The filter will be applied on standard class or second class or first class, or you can press Control and select first class and second class, and it will apply the filter based on both charts. Now as we have two filters applied, we can select what is happening in California through first class. So you can apply these filters in any sequence. Now let's say in this area chart, we want to display for which state this information is getting displayed. So let's go to the title of this graph, which is showing area chart, worksheet name. I'll put hyphen next to it. Then go to insert button and select state from here. As we have applied a filter on filled map, which is getting applied on area chart, in this insert we'll get state column. Select it. Now if you click on any state, you'll see the state name is changing in this area chart title. If you select multiple states, it will show the state 1, 2, 3. If you select more than 3 states, it will be state 1, 2, 3 and n more. So that's how you can create a basic dashboard with multiple charts, and you can have quick filter action to filter out the data based on your selection. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos.